If you have been scrolling on social media lately, you might have seen a new trend going around of people making themselves into doll boxes using AI. At the same time, I've also seen many artists on my feed sharing their hand-drawn versions. It's been really fun to see what accessories they've included in their box to represent themselves. I'm not sure how you feel about it, but I definitely enjoy seeing hand-drawn boxes a lot more. As a clay artist, I thought it would be really fun to make my own out of clay. So here's a video showing you the process of how I created my own non-AI doll box. Enjoy!
I'm hushing the dog on the chain. I'm running up stones on the edge of the bank. Rally the troops for another refrain. I sing this softly to myself. I sing this softly to myself. I'm buried beneath the sand. There's no way to speak or reach out my hand. Watching the paper slowly unfold, bracing for news that I can't bear to hold. While I'm singing this song to myself, I sing this softly to myself.